Thailand is ready to open to let you apply Thailand Pass with Test and Go program tomorrow on the 1st of February. But to be honest, I feel sorry for Thailand. It's just because not only Thailand Pass is complicated to apply and also Test and Go is complicated as well. But right now, Thailand Pass also has a hacker. Oh no. สวัสดีค่ะ It's me, Teya, Suchira. Today I have quite bad news to tell you, but you should be glad to know about this bad news. Otherwise, it's going to be bad for you. What's happening is right now, tomorrow, Thailand Pass is going to open for anybody who wants to travel Thailand as Test and Go to apply Thailand Pass. But a bad news is right now, even Thailand Pass or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, they are having a hacker. So I have to warn you right now that you have to be careful just in case you're going to apply Thailand Pass. If you get some email from the Thailand Pass, it looks like correctly from the right address, they ask you to download on your PC is kind of wrong. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So when you first open the website tp.consular.go.th, you're going to see first page of the warning. So that one you have to be aware. So hopefully they can fix it. But at the moment, our team, Stella, Daisy, Mark, and also Miss Tui, we have to deal about this hacker because they also sent an email to us as well to let us download. So I am pretty worried that in case you're going to apply Thailand Pass by yourself and you have no experience about it, you're going to get a scam. So be careful about it. I'm going to show you in a page so you can get familiar how it looks like and you can't trust it. Well, for the hacker email, we also get an email from just like support@consular.go.th, which is like it's email from Thailand Pass, and also when we open it, we found the message about the updating data from Thailand Pass, and they say like there is a problem related to the request. Please download the attachment and update the information. So this one they let you to download. Click download document. So please do not download it. Don't download it because this is a fake one. So please don't click the red download document. Never. So I hope that this video is useful for you because of in case you're going to apply Thailand Pass by yourself, at least you can be aware about this scam, this hacker as well. Before I leave, I want to show you how beautiful this kind of root is. The root is the wood, and if you've seen my video last year, I sit on this chair set, but it looks very new because my mother sent it to let it polish and make it nicer, and I'm so happy. Oh my god, it looks like a new one, and the cost of the redone this is just only $50, which is really reasonable price. I got this set from the tourist. I think it's almost 20 years ago. Yeah, this set is sold by the tourist who live in Thailand. He's from Luxembourg and he was about to leave Thailand. So he just sold it out cheaper, sold it out very good price. I think it's a little bit more than $100 only. I'm sorry, are you jealous? Anyway, so if you come to visit my farmhouse, you definitely will be invited to sit and use this set. And soon I'm going to give you more information about how's my farmhouse, how's my kitchen. I may be a bit quiet because I'm very busy with my kitchen stuff. I think you can guess about it. Anyway, if you think this video is useful for you, you're more than welcome to just share to your friend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And if you appreciate it with information that I have for you today, you want to support my channel, you can have a look in the description how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next time very soon. สวัสดีค่ะ